In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Tutorlms CSS. Whether you're looking to customize your online learning platform to better fit your brand, or you just want to change up the design elements to better suit your personal taste, editing CSS is a powerful way to make those changes. CSS, which stands for Cascading Style Sheets, allows you to control the appearance of your website, including aspects like layouts, colors, and fonts. So let's dive into the process and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. For those of you who might be new to WordPress, the dashboard acts as the control center for your entire site. From here, you can manage all aspects of your site, from creating content to adjusting technical settings. Once you're in the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu with various options. We're going to focus on the Appearance section. Click on Appearance. You'll see a submenu appear with multiple options. Among these options, you'll find Customize, which is exactly what we're looking for. Click on Customize. This will lead you to the WordPress Customizer, a powerful tool where you can make various adjustments to your site's appearance. The great advantage of using the Customizer is that it allows you to see your changes in real time. As you make adjustments, you'll get a live preview, so there are no surprises later when you check out your updated site. Within the Customizer, you'll want to navigate to where you can add your own custom CSS. To do that, simply look for a section labeled Additional CSS. It should be located toward the bottom of the menu on the left-hand side. When you find it, go ahead and click on it. This section provides you with a blank slate where you can input any CSS codes necessary to tweak your site's aesthetic. This is where the real magic happens. You can now enter your custom CSS code directly into the text area provided. If you're familiar with CSS, this is probably an exciting moment where you start implementing all the ideas you have. Make sure to preview your changes as you go along to ensure everything looks the way you envision. If you're a beginner, a top tip is to keep a backup of your original CSS, just in case something doesn't go as planned. You can always revert to the defaults if needed. Once you're satisfied with the changes, make sure to hit Publish to save your work. This action will apply all your stylish updates to your live Tutorlms site. By doing this, students and visitors will instantly see the new design improvements in place. Editing CSS can greatly enhance the visual appeal of your site, making it uniquely yours. Remember, the key is to experiment and have fun. So keep playing around, and you'll get a great-looking site in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.